Victim blaming is a harmful and inaccurate concept that can be applied to various contexts, including the law of attraction. The idea of victim blaming suggests that the individual is responsible for their own misfortunes and failures, implying that they have somehow caused their circumstances through their thoughts, emotions, or actions. In the context of the law of attraction, victim blaming often manifests when people believe that individuals who experience negative circumstances or difficulties are not manifesting their desires correctly or are not using the law effectively. This mentality implies that if someone is not achieving their goals or experiencing success, it is because they have failed to follow the principles of the law of attraction or have made some mistake in their thinking. However, this perspective is problematic for several reasons. It ignores the complexities of life. The law of attraction is often oversimplified to a thoughts create reality mantra, but life is much more intricate and multifaceted. Circumstances can be influenced by a wide range of factors, including external events, social and economic conditions, and systemic injustices. It perpetuates ableism. Victim blaming can be particularly damaging for people who are already marginalized or disadvantaged, as it implies that they are somehow responsible for their circumstances due to personal failing, rather than recognizing the systemic issues they face. It can lead to shame and guilt. When individuals are blamed for their misfortunes, they may internalize shame and guilt, which can further exacerbate their emotional pain and make it more challenging to seek help or support. A rebuttal to victim blaming in the context of the law of attraction is essential. Focus on collective responsibility. Instead of blaming individuals for their circumstances, we should acknowledge that we are all part of a larger system and that our individual experiences are interconnected. We should work towards creating a more just and equitable society where everyone has access to resources and opportunities. Recognize external factors. The law of attraction is often presented as a personal responsibility issue, but we must acknowledge that external factors can significantly impact our lives. For instance, systemic racism, sexism, classism, and other forms of oppression can limit opportunities and create barriers for certain groups. Emphasize support and compassion. Rather than blaming individuals for their circumstances, we should focus on providing support and compassion. Encourage people to seek help when needed and offer resources for those who are struggling. Redefine success. Instead of defining success solely as material wealth or achievement, we should broaden our understanding to include mental health, well-being, relationships, and personal growth. In conclusion, victim blaming in the context of the law of attraction is an unhelpful and harmful perspective that can lead to shame, guilt, and ableism. By acknowledging the complexities of life, focusing on collective responsibility, recognizing external factors, emphasizing support and compassion, and redefining success, we can create a more inclusive and supportive community that promotes growth and well-being for all individuals.